Welcome to the Funded Youth Dashboard. Let's go ahead and let's subscribe to a class session for a course. Go over here, click on Sessions, go to Available Courses. In this section, you will find courses that you have access to. If you've finished a course, it'll unlock for the prerequisite, and you can simply click on Join Course. So let's do that now. I'll click on Join Course. Notice that it expands and says these two classes are required in order. Now you can, don't worry about this, but you can actually register for both class sessions on the same day. They just have to be one before the other. You cannot take class 2 or 1 after class 2. You just have to take class 1 then class 2. So you can take 1 at like 4 o'clock and 1 at 5 o'clock. As you can see here, it says register. So I can select June 16th and say registered. Say confirm. And notice the registration now becomes available for that at the later times. You can also register for events by coming over to Browse Events. When you click on Browse Events only after you say you want to join, these will actually show up or the classes will show up on this page. If you'd prefer to view this in the calendar format, you can click on a calendar and this shows up here. Once you've completed prerequisites, other classes will show up for registration. You can view it here. For quick setup, it's really easy on the list view, but it's up to you how you'd like to do that, and you can register there. We can view over in our registrations classes that we've registered, or if we want to no longer register for it and we'd rather do it at a different date, we can come over here and click cancel. If a class actually costs credits, in this example, this is one of the starter classes, they cost nothing. You can confirm and cancel. Some classes actually debit you against canceling late for the reference of the teacher, but just be aware of that. I'm going to say cancel, nothing is lost, nothing is gained. It goes back to available courses, browse events, and if we jump down to the 3D M1 for the Tinkercad, it shows 6 spots for all of the available ones, so it automatically updates that. Or if I refresh it, it will update it. Sorry about that. Browse events. There we go. That clears it out. So proof that it's actually cleaned us out or reset everything. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us at fundedyouth at info@fundedyouth.org or stop by the shop and ask us any questions. Or if you'd like to register in person, we have a system for that. All right. Thank you very much for watching.